Hi, this is David with eminitradingstrategies.com. This is the weekly video update for January 25th through January 29th. Now, a lot of you have joined our webinar this week, so some of these charts you've seen, they're the same charts we had in the webinar with the exception of Friday because the webinar was on Thursday. And as a reminder, the webinar promos are expiring next week, and that's attached to the email you'll want to get with Al at e-mini-trading-strategies.com or give them a call 904-718-4490 if you have any interest in the promos. Let's go ahead and talk about some charts and talk about some trades. We got a lot of charts to go over. Monday, trading the S&P took about 2 hours to make my profit. Had a couple losers, had a couple winners, kind of went back and forth. Okay, you can see we have a no zone here. Couple things, and we have this back color, and that's our no zone. We don't take normal system entries as they tend to lose. Here's a couple losers that no zone saved us. Even though we had some losers by following our rules, by also following our rules by avoiding certain trades, we saved ourselves even more losers, and then the rules got us out of trouble, and we made our money within 2 hours. Okay. Here's some recovery trades we had. Great pullback trade here. Here's no zone again with this yellow back coloring. And one of the things I teach my students is that coming out of no zone, the following NSCs, usually the next two, are very strong winners. And as you can see, boom, nice winner there. Another nice NSC. Nice recovery. Let's move on to the 27th here. Again, I've got to talk quick because we get low on time here. Actually, it's the 26th. We're coming out of no zone. We're right at the opening bell. We like that first NSC. As you can see, it was a nice winner. I took the pullback trade and I lost instantly. And I turned right around and still filled on my NSC coming out of no zone, made a full recovery. Now this short NSC here is not a valid trade due to our long-term filter. One of the things I teach, how to avoid trades, no zone, and we have other filters. Well, sometimes the rules help us, sometimes the rules don't always help us. Here it saved us from taking a losing trade, see? So nice recovery trade, two valid NSCs, great trades. And all within, I think, the first half hour. So another example, the 26th as well, coming out of no zone at first NSC. Beautiful short trade coming out of no zone. Awesome trade. January 27th, same thing, no zone. Great trade coming out of no zone, but this was just before the opening bell. I don't trade pre-market, at least not that close to the bell. First NSC, took a losing trade on, had a nice recovery trade, couple nice trades, recovered and made our profit by 10. Let's look at the 28th. We opened up in no zone, but right around here, our long-term filter told us to avoid all long trades. So the pullback trade was the high probability trade. We went short right there. This is the pullback indicator or entry level that's used by Pro Indicator version 2. I teach you how to find the levels as well if you don't use Pro Indicator version 2. Of course, I use it. So here's my short entry. Boom, nice one and done day right there. January 29th, we had another nice one and done. We had actually four good trades, two EETs and two pullback trades. This, you can see, this pullback trade canceled on mine. It didn't cancel on some, okay? Because that's because tick data varies from computer to computer because of ISPs and firewalls and antivirus software, etc., okay? But first NSC out of no zone, look at that. Another beautiful winner. Textbook right there. Great pullback trade for a nice one and done, okay? Let's go ahead and talk about the Dow, okay? I thought we had January 25th in here, but don't know where it is. Hopefully it'll pop up. Well, here's the Dow on January 26th. We had a report coming out, so we avoided these trades here, okay? Had a nice trade here, nice trade here. We avoided these trades. You know, you can say, well, we should have had that one. Well, you'd lost on that one, so. Here's another one on 26. Actually, this is the reports. Let me back up here. This is the reports on the fast term chart, the Dow chart, and this is the long-term Dow chart. We avoided these two trades. This trade here was either a small gain, break even or loser, or small loser, followed by a very beautiful recovery trade. Nice winning trade right there, okay? You see I use Pro Indicator version 2 a bit different. I have these entry lines. I want my short trades above this line and my long trades below the line. I can preset my profit targets in there as well. Let's look at the 27th. Yeah, I stopped at one winner. I believe it was FOMC day. Took a nice short trade. We were done right there. Couple more winners on top of that on the fast term. Long term, When I say long term, it's still tick charts, but it's just longer term tick charts. We got to hurry up. We're getting low on time. Long trade, nice short trade, and kind of went sideways here in the afternoon, waiting on FOMC. Okay, very likely to happen. I told all my students that before the opening bell. Expect a slower market, and again, you had some beautiful trades. I mean, how much do you have to make in a day? You know. So, anyways, let's move on because we're getting low. Way low on time as usual. January 28th, two nice winners on the fast term Dow chart. Another winner here, another winner there. Beautiful day. Sweet day as well on the long term. See, we don't win every trade. And when you jumped in, straight out loser. Then you turned it right back around. Made a nice short trade, made a nice long trade, and there were more trades on top of that. But I screenshotted this before the webinar, so I missed most of the day. It's a beautiful, beautiful trade there. January 29th, quick loser here. I was actually in this trade, lost full stop loss on that. Okay, that happens. Turned it right around, made a full recovery plus, nice short trade down. Beautiful day, beautiful day. I guess I lost January 25th, but it was a good day as well. Well, that's our weekly update. Again, we've got some great promos going on that end in the next few days. Make sure you get with us if you're interested in that. And thanks for watching.